Thank you for tuning in to Ellensburg Amplifier Repair and Service. I am back once again with the Audiopipe AP-3000.1D. I've made some pretty good progress on this amplifier. It's taken me a little while. Been doing this one in my spare time. So I just wanted to go over a few things that I have found on the amplifier. So I have all the power supply traces rebuilt, 3205s are installed, and everything seems to be up and functioning well here. I'm just charging the capacitors right now for you guys, and what I'll do is I will show you what I have here. So I do have a blue light going on, so we're good to go. So I'm just gonna show you our power supply drive here. So let's bring the voltages up here. So on one side I have 14.8 volts and 13.4 volts. So I do have a little bit of a difference on the drive signals on this board, because if I come over to board A, I have 14.6 volts and 14.4 volts. So board A is looking really good. So what I noticed, I had a difference at the rectifiers. So I have a little bit higher voltage on this board, and I don't have as clean of a drive signal on the on board B. As you can see on this bank, the top is curved down just slightly, where this top is, as you'd expect, nice and flat. So I do have a small little drive issue that I got to take care of here. And while it's powered up, I can go ahead and show you that we do have our low side drive on both boards. Low side drive, and I do have the drive for the rail to rail. So this voltage difference of this board, if you were to look at the frequency of board B, we're at about 192 kilohertz on the rail to rail drive, and then board A, we're at about 147 kilohertz. So I'm starting to see the failure point of this board, as we have two boards doing two different things, trying to feed a single output, which to me would show you that this would be a failure point. So I believe the problem is going to be in the drive circuit. So I'm going to replace the M6s and L6s for that one bank on this drive, just to try to even up board A and board B here. Otherwise, that's where I'm at. As you can see, I've got the interconnect wiring back in place. Again, I've got the power supply transistors in, I've got new rectifiers in, and I have verified the output, although there is a difference between the two boards. So I just wanted to give that quick update here. And what I'll do is I will clean up this drive, get this a little closer to board A, and we will go from there. I'll be back with you.